All right, real quick. You ever open your wallet, see both a debit card and a credit card, and think, what's the actual difference? Am I just supposed to guess which one ruins my life slower? Let's break it down. A debit card means you're using your own money. A credit card means you're using someone else's money that they want back, with interest. Simple enough, right? Wrong. That's just the trap. Because credit cards are like those free trials that forget to tell you. They'll drain your soul. 30 days later, use the right way. A credit card is a tool. You build credit, get rewards, maybe even survive a rough month. Use the wrong way, congrats. You just paid $300 for a $20 pizza over 3 years. So, when do you use which? Use a debit card when you're broke, or just being smart. Use a credit card only if you can pay the full amount, before the interest fairy shows up to wreck your life. But here's the stuff no one told you. That minimum payment, that's just bait. Those 0% interest promos? Yeah, they expire faster than your will to study. Miss one. Payment and boom. Your credit score drops faster than your kill-death ratio in ranked. Let me give it to you straight. If you wouldn't pay cash for it, don't put it on credit. Credit is not free money. It's a test, and most people are failing. So yeah, use credit like you use fire. It'll cook your food or burn your house down. Depends on how stupid you are with it. Get smart. Stay broke on purpose, not by accident. And maybe, just maybe, don't finance the Xbox. And if this saved you from financial disaster, you owe us a sub. Seriously, hit that button. It's free, unlike your credit bill.